So you want to ask, what is the cause of all this swelling around the comb of our birds? I want to tell you about a viral condition in poultry birds that cuts across layers, turkeys, especially turkeys and broilers, and it's called fowl pox. Fowl pox is a viral disease that attacks the integumentary system of the birds. By integumentary system, I mean the skin. And depending on the form of fowl pox that is plaguing you, either the wet form or the dry form, it can largely affect the virility or the severity of this condition. The wet form is more disastrous than the dry form, but both of them cause destruction of the skin. Now, when you want to manage fowl pox, it's important that whenever you are raising birds beyond 8 weeks, it's important that you vaccinate at 6 weeks of life. So currently, we are about to vaccinate our birds against fowl pox, and I want to take you through how we do this, and so that the virus or the birds do not come down with the viral condition. So join me as I do that. You can see that most of the birds are having this condition, and so we want to vaccinate against fowl pox, and that is why most of them have been separated, and we isolated these ones that have the condition. All these birds are beyond, at 10 weeks, they are already beyond 6.5 kg. So, if you're looking for a broiler bed for Christmas, they're available for you. Broilers that are as heavy as turkey, they're available for you. You can see the combs of these birds. So currently we are trying to separate the birds to move them from where they are, so that we'll be able to effectively vaccinate. So the first thing is to wear your wear your glove. After which you inspect your vaccines, you check, do we have the batch number? You can see we want to look at our batch number, our manufacturing date, and expiration date. So this one will be expiring next year in March. So so when you are getting your vaccines, it's important you ensure that where you are buying these vaccines from, that they maintain strict cold chain, just so that you have a good view of what is happening. I want to peel the label. So we want to make sure that the vaccine is well dissolved. This is just glycerin with normal saline. So this will be sufficient for 200 birds. There's 200 doses we'll get. So when you have this, just to be on the safe side, it's important you divide it into two, because sometimes it's easy for the vaccine to be wasted. So I want to take 2 minutes. This should be enough for what you want to do. So when you want to vaccinate your birds, it's important you uh small. Uh, so it's important you pay attention to. Let me put her for under the chest. Mhm. It's important you pay attention to the wing web, this place. So that's where we are getting the vaccine, and that's all. So for this one, we just want to make sure we clean, and what we are using is povidone iodine, and that's what we are trying to do. So some of you might want to ask, why are we cleaning? We just want to expose the virus. So why are we cleaning? We just want to make sure that we expose the virus to povidone iodine. And this povidone iodine, like I always tell you, it is virucidal. That means it can kill viruses, it can kill bacteria, it can kill fungi. So that's what we want to do. Sorry, Jay. Sorry. Yeah, sorry.